Hello YouTube, recording this video on March the 11th, and this is the 50th release of AS3. So I want to quickly record a video, first of all, to thank everybody that has been involved with AS3's 50th release. This is quite a substantial amount of work. You're looking at around 2,400, that's 2,400 issues. Resolved RFEs, that's basically how many Jira tasks we've created since 2017, 2018 with the first release of AS3. That's resolution of about 800 GitHub issues from day one. So big congratulations to everybody. That includes users, developers, just people that are talking about AS3. And so big hats off, big congratulations for our 50th release going out today. You'll see it. It's already been published. AS3 50.5 is the release. And what's really cool also about this release is the per app is GA. So we've been working on that for a year. It's been in beta, received amazing feedback. And today, per app is GA. We've done updated some node pieces or node components, right? Packages more than anything. So you'll see that in this release. What is also kind of nice is that there's some difficult stuff that we've gone back and patched, specifically with service discovery for a financial, as well as some of the topology records as well that were not being handled correctly. So overall, great release as usual. But the biggest thing is it's half century. It's the 50th release that we've done since 2017. And so that's an amazing accomplishment. And I want to go ahead and just create this quick video just to kind of emphasize how happy I am as a PM and look forward to potentially getting to our 100th release. But as again, 2,400 issues resolved or features, enhancements, 800 GitHub issues resolved, closed, and growing. So once again, thank you so much. And I'm really looking forward to some amazing feedback on our 50th release of AS3.